Okay, welcome back, Budgie the one here. So today's guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean out my bird cages now that I've moved. And it's so difficult because there's not a water hose connected outside for the public to use. So I can't really clean out my bird cages like I want to. But I'm going to show you this difficult process that I have to go through. Okay, so basically for my finch cage, I just disassembled it, deassembled it. So I took this part off. It's detachable. Oh my god, disassemble, detach. What is going on? Okay, with them, I let them out too, but since they're breeding, I'm gonna keep them in, and I'm just gonna detach this part, and I'm gonna put it on the ground. I might as well do all of them like that. Okay, that's detached. For the big cage, I might as well do the same thing. They make a mess, don't mind. Living with birds. Fly up, fly up. Vuela, 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 vuela. Yeah, I learned that from Go Diego Go. Bring y'all closer. I'm doing this for the first time, so y'all are just gonna have to watch me as I go. This is not my good camera, so I'm not gonna look as good. I might look pissed. So this is my first time doing this, so if it's organized and messy, I'm sorry. This is what I have to go through. Oh snap. This is where I have them separated. This is the little thing that gets dusty and dirty real fast. All of this is dust. I just ball this up like this, and I just sit it on the ground until I'm done cleaning out the things, and then after you'll see what I'm gonna do with it. Where's my credit card? Okay guys, here's my card that I don't use. It was actually a hotel key that I went to Tennessee or Atlanta with. I don't know. But I just scraped out the poop with this credit card. All the poop's going in here. Okay. Sorry. Let me bring y'all down with me to the bikini bottom. Okay. Okay, so we just scrape everything out.
So we can be safe.
Alright, that one is basically done. That's what it's gonna look like. You're just gonna have to wash it. Now, of course, you guys are gonna be asking why don't I put paper towels down there. I don't use the great things, the things that block them from getting on the actual bottom of the cage. In this case, this one has one, and I can't take it out, so I do use paper towels, but I don't like using the grates because I heard that they can get their feet caught and stuff like that. So to minimize their risk of getting foot injuries, I just don't keep them in there. So I don't put any paper towels down because they would chew it up. That one is done. Ooh, I think a piece of doo-doo got in my eye. Ooh. Guys, this cuddle bone was not even in for 4 days, and look what they did. Oh, look at the sun coming out. The sun will come out tomorrow. Yeah, Annie. Now we go and dump this. We're gonna dump this far away, and Okay, so what I have is basically the MD scraped out bottoms of the cages. And boom. Now I just have to go and dump this somewhere. I am about to start laughing hard. They're looking like, what about our cage? You ain't cleaned out our cage. They're just looking like, but what about ours? I really forgot about their cage. Wow. Look at me about to go, and I was about to leave their cage dirty. I'm so sorry, guys. She looking like, wow, you really gonna do me like that? You not gonna clean out this cage? Okay, now I can talk about this one. Okay, this cage do have a grate, this one, but you know, I ran out of paper towels. Shh. Let's go. The woods and stuff. There's a trail. Oh wow. I did not know this. Okay, I think this is as far as I'm about to go. I don't want to be that lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan and stuff. So I'm about to throw this right here. Now it's time to go. Somebody been drinking Bud Ice back here. Okay, guys, I don't know why they're on the phone. I don't know who let them out, but I'm about to take these bird cages. Oh, I'm on times 2. I'm about to take these stink bird things, you know, and just clean the bottom of them. Oh, ooh. Okay, so we're gonna be cleaning out these bird cages. Stinky fishing, stinky fishing, stinky fishing, stinky fishing.
I got STDs.
Ooh, let me not. Okay, so when I'm cleaning out these bird cages and stuff like that right now, I just take some dish detergent and I take the sponge. The sponge is for them and them only. I guess I can use a new one. You just go like that right now. And you get to work, you turn the shower on, and you get to work, baby doll. One of them is done. Now we just need to do the last one. Okay guys, we're just done cleaning out the cages. I'm just about to go over the tub and just clean out the tub. Having birds, you just gonna have to sacrifice some stuff. So I'm gonna have to sacrifice getting my tub dirty with bird poop. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna clean out the tub and I'll be back. Okay guys, so there's only 2 more things to do, which is shake out the blanket that was on top of that cage and blow out the rest of the seashells that's in their food dishes and give them water. So yeah, after that they'll be fine and they'll be living back into their normal cages. Yes, it's a lot, but I have a lot of cages. If I only had 1 cage, it would be a lot more simpler, but I don't. So yeah. So you basically toot your lips up like you about to kiss somebody, and you. The wind is blowing the wrong way, y'all. I'm gonna have to go downstairs. We're almost done, guys, so. And okay, guys, we're done. Their cage is clean. Then we have down here, of course, they're gonna poop a lot. There's a lot of birds. Fresh food, new beginnings, and that's that. We have these two, fresh food and water, fresh cage. And then down here we have Mumble and Maple with a fresh cage as well. New beginnings. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. Hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.